The 2025 Kia EV6 has undergone a series of significant updates, enhancing its appeal in the electric vehicle market. One of the most notable changes is the introduction of a larger 84 kWh battery pack, replacing the previous 77.4 kWh version. This upgrade extends the driving range, with rear-wheel drive models now achieving up to 494 kilometers on a single charge, providing drivers with greater confidence for longer journeys. A characterized https://www.characterized.com/car-news/2025 Kia EV6 updated every field locked in for AU Australia, item source equals chat.com. In terms of design, the EV6 has received subtle yet impactful styling revisions. The front fascia now features Kia's signature star map lighting, characterized by new angular-designed LED headlights and daytime running lights. These wing-like graphics not only modernize the vehicle's appearance, but also contribute to a wider and more dynamic stance. Kia Media.com https://www.kiamedia.com/us/en/models/ev6/2025 item source equals chat.com. Inside, the EV6 boasts a revamped interior that aligns with Kia's latest design philosophy. A notable addition is the panoramic curved display panel, which enhances the futuristic ambience of the cabin. The integration of a fingerprint authentication system allows registered drivers to power the electrics without the need for a key, adding a layer of convenience and security. enwikipedia.org https://enwikipedia.org/wiki/Kia EV6 item source equals chat.com. Performance enthusiasts will appreciate the enhancements made to the EV6 GT model. This high-performance variant now accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.5 seconds, thanks to dual electric motors producing a combined 576 horsepower. The inclusion of Michelin Pilot Sport Forest tires, a rear electronic limited-slip differential, and electronically controlled suspension further elevate the driving experience, ensuring both agility and stability on the road. enwikipedia.org https://enwikipedia.org/wiki/Kia EV6 item source equals chat.com. Charging infrastructure has also seen significant improvements. Starting in March 2025, Kia EVs, including the EV6, will gain access to Tesla's extensive Supercharger network. This development is facilitated through the use of NACS to CCS1 adapters, which Kia is distributing to owners of vehicles purchased on or after September 4, 2024. This move significantly enhances the convenience and accessibility of charging options for EV6 drivers. At TheVerge.com https://www.theverge.com/news/6002718/Kia Tesla Supercharger March item source equals chat.com. The EV6's exterior design has been refined to keep pace with Kia's evolving aesthetic. The refreshed front fascia, coupled with new alloy wheel designs, contributes to a sportier and more contemporary look. These updates ensure that the EV6 remains visually appealing and competitive in the rapidly evolving electric vehicle market. Kia Media.com https://www.kiamedia.com/us/en/models/ev6/2025 item source equals chat.com. Technological advancements are a hallmark of the 2025 EV6. The vehicle now features a revised, curved panoramic screen that serves as the centerpiece of the dashboard, providing intuitive access to essential driving information and entertainment options. This, combined with the new steering wheel design and updated technological features, creates a more user-friendly and engaging driving environment. enwikipedia.org https://enwikipedia.org/wiki/Kia EV6 item source equals chat.com. In summary, the 2025 Kia EV6 represents a significant step forward in the evolution of electric vehicles. With its enhanced battery capacity, refined design elements, advanced technological features, and improved performance metrics, the EV6 is well positioned to meet the demands of modern drivers seeking both style and substance